हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम स्कूल पे 10 लाइन्स ऐसे सीखेंगे जो आपको स्कूल में बहुत काम आएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। माई स्कूल इज अ प्लेस वेयर आई लर्न अ न्यू थिंग्स एवरी डे. It is very big and has many classrooms. My school has a beautiful playground. The teachers are kind and helpful. I love to study different subjects like English and math. My school also has a library full of interesting books. We celebrate many functions and festivals in school. I enjoy spending time with my friends there. My school teaches me good manners and discipline. I am proud of my school and love it very much. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.